Hey, hello, welcome back, friends. And I forgot I was making yogurt, but I now want to show you how I'm making my yogurt. Yeah, I put milk and in my saucepan, and I'm on a gas cooker. This is an electric cooker, and I see my stirring rod. I put pudding powder, and I am stirring until the milk boils. That's when my yogurt will be ready. I added sugar. And this is one way to make sure that you make your own homemade yogurt. Yeah, you have kids at home and they like yogurt, and it can be so sucking that you have to spend. Yogurt is expensive, especially in my country, Uganda. You find the cheapest yogurt is at 1,500 and just take a small stuff. Yet you can buy a liter of milk and you make your own yogurt. You make your own home yogurt and you can keep giving your daughter just a small piece, a small stuff, so that you save on the money. We put in what they call padding powder, pudding powder. I'm going to show you how it is written. But for now, just know we put in pudding powder. I'm going to show it to you at the end of the film, at the end of the recording, so that you see exactly what I put in. So as I talk now, my milk is almost boiling. You can see it is beginning to form. Yeah, if you have this milk here was pasteurized, so I immediately put the pudding powder. But if you have like fresh milk, you need first boil it so that you kill the germs. Then you cool it, and then you mix the pudding powder, and then you boil again. Yeah, or if not, after boiling the milk, you add the pudding powder. Then afterwards, you filter to remove any particles so that it remains pure yogurt. Yeah, you can see my yogurt is taking shape. Yeah, anywhere you go to the supermarket and ask them, you look for pudding powder, chocolate, there is vanilla, there is um, what is this? This berry, something like berry, something. Strawberry. Yeah. You get that. And you have homemade yogurt, cheap and not expensive because you have the local milk and the pudding powder. I got it at something like 4 inch, 6 to 3, 4 inch. Yeah, so it is just a micro, small amount of money. If you convert it even, oh, it is boiling. Don't evaporate. Last time I boiled this yogurt, my yogurt was spoiled because it moved out. It moved out. Yeah, this milk is concentrated. I use the budget milk. It is some good kind of milk this side in Hungary. It is one of the milk that I've seen that it can boil and fill up the saucepan and pour down. Other milk types don't, meaning it is good quality, yet it is low price. I don't know why. Hmm, I don't know. Anyway, as you can see, my yogurt, now I'm going to cool it. I'm going to put in my container. Then I will cool it. You get it, friends? Oh, an appointment and I have to go somewhere. So that's it for today. Okay, let me take for you the photo. Yeah, I use something like this. A piruzu pudding powder. And that's all. Thank you very much. I'm Dennis, and this is Learn IT with Dennis.